Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda242. I am Remelda, and today I have my husband with me today. He's going to be doing the cooking. He's making Benny cake. Watch him do it. Okay, these are what you're going to be needing for the Benny cakes. All right. Now the stove is on medium. I have an empty pot and I'm just adding the Benny to the pot. That's 2 cups. They have already been cleaned. He cleaned them already. So they're good to go. When I say clean, you just need to take out the little pieces of branches or sometimes stones or whatever foreign object is in them. You just take your time and pick them out. Now we're just waiting for them to begin parching, plopping. So while that is doing, you have to watch it and listen for the plopping or the parching, and then you can begin to stir it. I guess he heard something. He is starting to stir it. Okay, just shift them around. If you don't, they're gonna burn. And these are small. If you know sesame seeds, they are really small. He wanted to do this, so I'm not gonna discourage him. He's helping me out. Let's go on, do your thing. He is just moving them around. The pot is spinning because he wants to hold the camera as well as stir the Benny. So I'm going to take it over. I'll do the filming while he does this. They are plopping. Look closely. They're moving. All right. They are jumping. You see that? He has the patience, so go ahead on, do your thing. This is how we do it in the Bahamas. This is Benny cakes. If you love coconut cakes, you're gonna love this. All right. Now that's the sugar over there. That's about 1 cup. And he's telling me that that's all he's gonna need. I told him, no way, no way. You're gonna need more than that. He doesn't want them so sweet, so watch him. He's gonna need more. I told him. So he's still stirring. Just shifting them around. Don't want them to burn. When making Benny cakes, you need to give them your undivided attention. You have to stay near. Mommy used to make these when I was a little girl, and man, sometimes she would put peanuts in them. You know, Benny cakes with peanuts, but he doesn't want to put any peanuts in these, so I would make some with the peanuts at another time for you. So these are just straight up Benny cakes. And hubby doesn't want them so sweet, so he's regulating the sugar, how much sugar he wants in them. Go ahead, make them, hon. But I know you're gonna need more than that. Still mixing them through, turning them over. Just the Benny and the heat, nothing else is in the pot. Time for the sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Time for the sweetness. Okay. You can also make these with honey as well. I tried it once with the honey, but I always use the sugar. This is what I grew up on using, because you know honey is really expensive. Okay, that's the sugar and the Benny. Now he's just working the sugar through. And he would have to put a little bit of water. Okay, he had to turn the stove down because they were cooking too fast. There's a splash there. Gonna need more than that, sir. Okay, he took it off the stove because they're really going fast. Water, water, water. Now he's adding all of it. So now that means he's going to really have to let them dry out. He's going to really have to cook. The more liquid you add, you're going to have to add more sugar and more time into it to let it cook. Because if it's too wet, they're not going to harden. If it's too dry, they're still not going to harden. So they need to be sticky. You must add more sugar. You have to add more sugar. There's no doubt about that. So while he's doing that, I'm just cleaning. I set the camera up on the tripod now. He has to add more sugar because they're going to take too long to get sticky, and it needs to be sticky. He just did. I told him. He added more sugar, just a little bit more, like about 1/4 cup. And you have to keep mixing. So he wanted to do this. And please join him at his channel, 242 Math. He does math from grade 1 all the way up to university level. He can do math. He is a mathematician. So please subscribe to his channel, 242 Math. You don't understand something, you just email him or leave a message in the comment section and he will get back to you. Let's go. It is bubbling. It has a lot of liquid, so now I have to wait until most of the liquid is gone. It has to turn sticky. That's sticky. You would know because you're going to see the white sugar around the rim of the pot, the edges of the pot. And that will give you a signal as to when to take them out of this pot to put on the board for hardening. Has to go. You added all that water, so I guess he just was trying to cool it down because it was really beginning to burn. All right, he's getting it. See the area around the pot, the white sugar? Okay, it's a good sign. That's it, hon. You're getting it. Good job. That's the board. We're going to be placing it on the board. And now he's going to wet the surface. Because if you put them on the board without wetting it, you're not going to be able to get them up. So just a little bit of water. And he has to get some of that off. That's a bit too much there. Oh my word. He wants to do it, so I'm just letting him have his moment. You don't want to put too much water on the board as well because it's going to turn them soft. Just a little. You just want to have the board damp, not dripping. Hubby's in the kitchen doing Benny cakes the Bahamian way. All right, this is ready. So what you're gonna do while spooning it onto the surface, you turn the stove down and then you just put it onto the board, the damp board. Look how he's patting them down. Oh my word. I would just drop them on. He's doing it, so let's go. Okay, this is Bahamian Benny cakes. The same seeds that you use on the burger buns. Okay, sesame seeds. These are Benny seeds. So I'd like to take this time to send a shout out to one of my #1 fans, Charmaine Delavo. God bless you, Charmaine, and continue to stay tuned. My niece told me that you watch me just like you watch church. Oh my word, God bless you. And to the rest of my viewers and subscribers, thank you for viewing this video all the way to the end. Please share me out. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.